Did you know you can play Xbox games on your iPhone or your iPad without a console? That's right. You ever felt left out because you don't have an Xbox? This video is for you. So now you can play games like Halo, Minecraft, Forza, right from your iOS device. So first, open Safari, go to xbox.com/play. This is where you're going to find all the cloud games. Next, you're going to tap the share button and choose Add to Home Screen. This gives you an Xbox Cloud Gaming app icon on your iPhone or your iPad. Then you're going to sign in your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate account. This lets you play full games in the iCloud. All right? Pick a game like Halo Infinite and tap to start playing right away. It streams the game to your screen, so there's no need to download it. Okay? So for better control, connect an Xbox controller with Bluetooth, but don't worry, you can also use touch controls if you don't have a controller. So playing Xbox games on your phone feels super cool and powerful. You don't need a big setup. You just need your iPhone or your iPad, all right? So hit the like button if this helped you. Leave a comment, subscribe, ciao.